In this video, I will teach you how to make money by creating a restaurant management system website. Because in this video we will create a restaurant management SaaS system website, you can already see the design of the restaurant management system website. We will create a professional website just like this. Now you may ask me how to make money by creating a restaurant management system website. We can easily earn money by creating such premium packages and selling these packages to various restaurant owners. Restaurant owners can easily register and log in on our website. Now you can see the dashboard of a restaurant owner's account. Here are all the feature sections for restaurant management. For example, we can add all the food menu items of a restaurant. Here you get all kinds of features sections for adding menu items like food. We can also add all types of table areas in our restaurant. By following this system, our restaurant customers can easily reserve their tables. We can also easily view waiter requests online. We also get the POS section. Through this section, we can easily sell all types of restaurant items and work with online accounts. And we can see all types of restaurant order lists. We can also see all types of customer lists in the restaurant. We can easily add staff to manage our website. And we can easily see the delivery executive lists. We can easily view all the payment details of our restaurant. And we can see all kinds of important reports from our software. We can also change important features and functionalities of our software through the settings section. Here you can change the important features and functionalities of this restaurant management software step by step. We are getting the most powerful admin panel to manage this website. As you can see, this admin panel has all kinds of feature sections to manage the restaurant management system website. So now let's learn step by step how to create a restaurant management SaaS system project. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create restaurant management SaaS system website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish restaurant management SaaS system website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.2 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to submit the database information here. So now we will learn how to create a database in the hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect the hosting panel database information to the website. For this, you should follow this video completely step by step. Now we need to give permissions to these folders. I will now teach you step by step how to give permissions to these folders. This is our admin default information. We will save this default login information in Notepad. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is completely ready. So let's now log in as admin because we can customize all the features and functions of the website by logging into the admin panel. Now we must change the default login information in the admin panel. We can create unlimited multiple packages through the admin panel because by selling these packages we can earn a lot of money from this website. Here you will submit the package information as per your requirement. Now you will go to the settings section because if you want to customize important features and functionalities on the website, then you are getting all kinds of important features in this settings section. This admin panel also has many other important features that will help us manage our restaurant management system website. Or if you have any problems understanding the features of the admin panel, contact us and we will help you. In this video we learn step by step how to make a large amount of money by creating a restaurant management system SaaS project. If you have any questions about this video, please comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much for watching this video completely. If you don't want to miss our next videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel.